This is an elastic band you can buy at any fabric store or hobby store. Attached to it are the rubber bands we made out of the bicycle inner tube, and at the ends is a piece of paracord attached with shrink wrap. To situate your malleye gear, give your malleye strap a pinch, come through the bottom, grab that top loop, pull through that loop, ratchet it down, and you're good to go. With a ghillie suit, you really are relegated to staying in the suit. They get really hot, they're kind of tough to move around in, and when you get to the game, everybody knows that you're going to be sniping, so they're kind of on the lookout. To apply this, just bisect the distance and put it behind your neck. I put it right underneath my shemagh. Then wrap the two ends behind your back, switching the ends, and come back out under your arms. At this point, you're going to wrap these around your arms 2 or 3 times, depending on how long your elastic is and how big your arms are, and then apply the thumb loops. After you've applied the thumb loops, adjust the tension of the elastic band so that it's comfortable and that the tension is pretty much equal around your whole body. Now what you're going to want to do is apply elastic bands to all of your gear. You can see this KWA CQR that I'm using right here. I've applied rubber bands to it. I don't like to paint my airsoft guns because I tend to buy and sell guns on occasion, so it really kills the resale value after you painted them all up. The best option for concealment, though, is to spray paint your AEG.